Namaste my dear friend and welcome to this short 15-minute yoga practice. I am Neeru and I will be practicing with you today. In today's class we will be moving through some very simple postures. It's a beginner friendly yoga practice. We will try to work on our core and we'll end with a short pranayama. Let's begin. Alright, come to sit in Sukhasana like this or in Vajrasana with your knees bent, whatever is comfortable for you. Let's take a couple of long deep breaths to center ourselves on the mat. Breathing deeply in and out through your nose. You can keep your eyes open, and if you feel like it, whenever you feel like it, gently bring your eyes to a close. Bring a gentle smile on your face. Forget all your checklists or your worries and focus just on your breathing. To begin this practice, gently bring your hands to touch at your heart center. Adopt the Namaskara Mudra, sit up straight. We'll take 3 long breaths, breathing in through the nose and breathing out through our mouths. Take a deep breath in. Inhaling deeply. Last one here. Gently release your palms back to your knees, and with a few blinks open your eyes and look straight ahead in front of you. We'll begin by opening up our hips a little bit. So if you were in Vajrasana, please come to sit in Sukhasana with your legs crossed in front of you. We'll start by moving our body in a clockwise direction. So take a deep breath in, keep your spine straight, and as you exhale, gently move your body in a clockwise direction. Make a big circle with your body. Go as far back as possible on an exhale, and bending your elbows, come as forward as possible on an inhale. Let's change the direction. Inhale, bring your body in a anti-clockwise direction. Exhale, round your spine, straighten your elbows. Inhale and exhale. One more time here. At the end of the next exhale, gently bring your body back to center. Let's take a small twist now, releasing our body. Take a deep breath in as you lift your palms up, stretch your body up. And on an exhale, bring your left palm to your right knee, right hand goes behind. Twist your body and look over your right shoulder, twisting from the waist region. Try to keep your chin parallel to your right shoulder. It has a tendency to drop back down. Don't forget to breathe. Inhale, lift your hands back up, stretch up. Exhale, right palm to your left knee, left hand goes behind. Twist your body and look over your left shoulder, twisting from your waist. Breathe deeply. Use the support of that right hand to gently bring your body closer and closer to the left side. Inhale, lift your hands back up, stretch up. Exhale, slowly release your hands and come to a tabletop posture. Wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Top of your feet resting on the mat. We will take thread the needle posture here, but we'll make it a little dynamic. We'll start with the left side. So keep your right palm firmly rooted to the mat, right wrist under your right shoulder, fingertips pressing into the mat. Take a deep inhale as you lift your left hand as high as possible, perpendicular to your body. And on an exhale, bring your left hand under your right hand, bringing your left shoulder and your left ear to the floor. Inhale, lift your body back up, lift your left hand as high as possible. Exhale, left hand under your right hand. Bring your left ear and your left elbow to the floor. Let's do it 2 more times. Take a deep breath in. Open your shoulders. Feel that chest expanding. Exhale, bring your left hand under your right hand. Left ear and your left shoulder to the floor. Last time here. Inhale. Inhale, gently open up your left hand for one last time, opening up the left side of your body. Exhale, gently bring your left hand back to the ground. Let's repeat the same thing with the right side. Pressing your left palm, your left fingertips to the floor. Take a deep inhale as you lift your right hand perpendicular to your body, opening up the right side of your body. Exhale, right hand under your left hand. Bring your right shoulder, your right ear to the ground. Inhale, lift your body back up, open your chest. Exhale, right shoulder, right ear to the ground. Let's do it 2 more times. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, bring your right ear and your right shoulder to the ground. Last time here. Inhale. Open it up. Exhale, right ear, right shoulder to the ground. Take a deep breath in, lift your right hand as high as possible, opening up your chest. And on an exhale, gently release your right palm back to the ground. Coming back to that tabletop posture, take a deep breath in as you bring your palms forward, a palm print. And on an exhale, gently plant your toes and lift your hips up and back. Coming to a downward facing dog posture, take your own sweet time. Enjoy getting into that position. And once you're in the downward dog posture, bend your right knee, straighten your left leg, bend your left knee, straighten your right leg, and start bending one knee after the other, really making that posture your own. We'll be here for a while, so try to press those fingertips into the floor in front of the mat, and try to press your hands and your feet, your toes into the mat. Let's take a couple of breaths here, looking between our knees. If you want, you can move your head yes, move your head no, releasing the head and your neck region. Your heels may or may not touch the floor. Don't worry about it if it is not touching the floor. Now once you're steady in this downward facing dog posture, take a deep breath in, lift your right leg off the mat. You may be only able to lift it a couple of inches, or you may be able to lift it all the way up, pointing your legs up towards the ceiling, whatever works. Pressing into that hand. On the exhale, bend your right knee, open up your hips. Now from here, bending your left knee, try to bring your right leg as close as possible to the left side of the mat. If possible, touch the floor on the left side. Inhale, lift your right leg back up. Exhale, open up your hips, bend your right knee, bring your right feet towards the floor on the left side. Touch the floor if possible. Inhale, lift it up. Exhale, bend your knee. It will really work the sides of your body. Inhale, lift it up. Exhale, bend your knee, opening up your hips, bringing your feet to the floor on the left side. Last time, inhale. Exhale, bring your right leg towards the floor on the left side of the mat. Feel that stretch on the right side of your body. Inhale, lift your right leg back up as high as possible. Exhale, release your right feet back down to the ground. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Take a deep breath in as you lift your left leg up, lifting it as high as possible. You may be able to lift it all the way up towards the ceiling. And on the exhale, bend your left knee, opening up your hips, bending your right knee. Try to bring the left leg to touch the floor on the right side of the mat. Inhale, lift it up, straighten your leg. Exhale, bend your left knee, touch the floor on the left side. Inhale, lift it up. Exhale, bend your left knee, try to touch the floor on the right side of the mat. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale, try to touch the floor. Inhale, lift it up. Exhale, bend your left knee, try to touch the floor on the right side of the mat. Feel the stretch on the left side of your body. Inhale, lift your leg back up. And on the exhale, gently release your leg back to the floor, coming back to that downward facing dog posture. Now from here, let's do one more posture to gently build up that heat on the core, working our core. As you inhale, lift your right leg off the mat, straightening your leg. And on the exhale, ripple your spine forward, touch your right knee to your right elbow. Inhale, lift it back up. Exhale, right knee to your right elbow, pressing into that fingertip. Inhale. Exhale, knee to elbow, 2 more times. Inhale, lift it up. Exhale, knee to elbow, last time here. Inhale. Exhale, right knee to your right elbow. Inhale, lift your right leg back up. Last 3-legged down dog here. Exhale, gently place your right feet back down to the mat. We'll repeat the same thing on the other side. Take a deep breath in, lift your left leg up, straightening your left leg. Exhale, left knee to your left elbow. Inhale, lift it back up. Exhale, knee to elbow, 3 more times. Inhale. Exhale, knee to your elbow, press into that fingertips. Inhale, lift it up. Exhale, left knee to left elbow, last time here. Inhale. Exhale, left knee to your left elbow. Inhale, lift your left leg back up. Exhale, release your left feet back down to the mat. Breathing deeply. Once you're in this downward facing dog posture, you can bend your knees, relax your body a little bit. Take a deep inhale, and on the exhale, slowly bring your knees down to the mat. Slowly release back yourself down to the mat. Come to a comfortable seated posture. Sitting in Sukhasana. Now from here, sitting in Sukhasana with your legs crossed in front of you. Take a deep inhale, lift your hands up. And on the exhale, gently bring your palms in front of you. Walk your hands forward, keeping your spine completely straight. You can stay here. Otherwise, take a deep inhale, lift your chest up. And on the exhale, slowly start dropping your head towards the floor. You can bring your elbows to the floor if that works for you. And take a couple of breaths here. Coming back to that stillness. Once your breath is normalized, as you inhale, lift your elbows off the mat if they were on the mat. And on the exhale, slowly start walking your hands back towards your body. Come to sit down in Sukhasana posture, getting ready for the pranayama session. Now you can stay here in Sukhasana, or if required, you can sit in Vajrasana, bending your knees under you, the thunderbolt posture, or you can sit with your legs to your side, whatever works for you. I'm going to be sitting in Sukhasana today. Keeping your spine straight, we'll be doing the Kapalabhati pranayama today, which is passive inhale and active exhales. So we will take a deep breath in, and as we exhale, we'll exhale it out in short bursts of air. So just like this, we'll inhale passively and we'll exhale actively, as if you're trying to clear your sinus, clear your nose, but the breath should come from your abdomen. So you will try to flap your abdomen with every exhale. Alright, we will do 3 rounds of the Kapalabhati pranayama. The first round will be for 10 counts, second round for 20 counts, and the third round for 30 counts. Let's get started. Sitting with your palms on top of your knees, take a couple of long deep breaths. Getting ready for the Kapalabhati session. Try to clear your mind of thoughts and try to focus on your breath completely. Gently bring your right palm and place it on top of your abdomen, just above your navel. Let's begin with the first round of 10 counts of Kapalabhati Pranayama. Take a deep inhale and exhale in short bursts of air. After 10 counts, gently come back to your natural breath. Let's go for the second round of 20 counts. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Coming back to your natural breath after 20 counts. Let's take 2 more long deep breaths here. For the third and final round of 30 counts of Kapalabhati Pranayama, take a deep inhale and exhale. After the 30 counts, gently release your right palm back on top of your right knee and take a couple of long deep breaths. Coming back into that natural breathing. Focusing completely on your breath. Gently bring your hands to touch at your heart center. Adopt the Namaskara Mudra. Sit up straight. Let's end the practice just like the way that we started it, with 3 long breaths, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. Inhale. Two more times. At the end of the last exhale, with a few blinks, open your eyes and look straight ahead in front of you. Thank you so much for joining me in this practice today. Wishing peace to everyone on this planet. Lokaha samastaha sukhino bhavantu. Namaste. See you next time. Bye.